So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about spammy tags. Now, this is a problem that Redbubble needs to fix. A lot of you guys have messaged me over on the Facebook group, have messaged me in the comment section asking how you can work around this. It has become a big problem that's affecting a lot of people's Redbubble experiences. And the aim of this video is to get Redbubble to see this video to correct this. I'll be explaining everything in this video, showing you guys how we can all contact Redbubble as a team to hopefully fix this. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. On this channel, I make print-on-demand content, usually to give people tips and tricks and to motivate people on their print-on-demand journeys. But today, it's more of a serious video. I'm not even going to do my normal intro. I'm going to get straight to the point with this one because this is a problem that needs to be fixed. Now, tag spamming is something that's become a thing on Redbubble in the past couple of months. And this is where people are literally using the same keyword and copying and pasting it over and over again. And people are doing this mainly because it's allowing them to get onto the first page of trends or keywords they are using to pretty much give them an advantage. And this is then negatively affecting people that are going about things the right way. Now, in Redbubble's recommended tag settings, they say use 15 relevant tags per upload and use search terms your audience would look for to find your work. And they even show an example featuring information that someone could use if they were creating a panda design, and the examples show panda, bear, black and white as the tags. Now, this is what Redbubble is saying people should do, but people are not doing this and it's becoming a major problem. So much so that a lot of you guys have actually started to hit me up in the comment section talking about this. Now, before I get any further in this video, I just want to say down in the description, there's going to be a click to tweet link where by the click of a button, you'll be able to message Redbubble with a message that I've pre-written, and this video will also be attached to that message. Now, the importance of that is that if enough of us get in contact with Redbubble through Twitter, and I've used Twitter mainly because they're very active on Twitter, hopefully it will get to a point where they can't ignore this problem anymore because there will be too many of us going to them, letting them know that this needs to be fixed. These are just a few of the comments you guys have been posting under the YouTube videos. And the first one is from Crash, and he put there, have you noticed people just spamming trending phrases that they want to rank for in their tags and actually becoming one of the best sellers because of it? I see it all over the site. Now, this is just one comment that's reflecting what I've already been speaking about. Now, a lot of people are doing this because it's allowing them to rank onto the first page and then they can get sales because of it. And this then harms people that are starting out, that are trying to do things the recommended way, the right way, with wealth motivation there. It goes on to say in his comment, I have noticed that all the people in the trending niches are spamming like huge tags, repeating again the same. I know they rank better because of that, so I don't want to spam like them to risk my account. And it's pretty much saying that because he's doing things the right way, he's ending up on page 2, 3, or 4 in regards of his designs, and he feels that because of that people won't notice his designs. And he's put in bold letters there for everyone to see, tell me the solution of this tag spamming and how to rank. Now, Redbubble, if you're watching this, or if anyone at all over at the Redbubble team is watching this, these are the struggles people are now facing due to this whole tag spamming thing. People are no longer sure of what to do. People are feeling unmotivated because they feel that customers are not seeing the designs that they've put their hard work into. And once again, you guys over at Redbubble are the only people that can fix this. I really do hope someone is watching this. And then we have Fed Share there saying, I have a question about something that's catch my attention. I've been checking the tags used among the best-selling designs, and I came across people repeating the design's title like 5 or 6 times in a single tag. But it seems that even looking stupidly spammy, it kind of works and gets them sales. So is that recommended, or is that just a matter of time before those designs get taken down due to spammy behavior? Now, that's a question that's been passed to me, but I'm gonna pass it straight over to the guys at Redbubble. What is the point of that? And is it okay for everyone else to be able to do that? We need to know these things. I will be going over an email that was actually sent out to Redbubble in regards of this topic, and someone actually replied from the Redbubble team, and I want to quickly go through that email and break it down a little bit in this video, as personally I don't really think that the response made any sense. But before we get into that, these are some posts from the Facebook group which I'm going to be jumping onto and going through them. One of them includes the email that I mentioned before, and one of the admins of the Facebook group actually emailed someone who responded, and then the second post there is someone who found an example of someone who's really exploiting this spamming tag thing. So Lily from the group sent an email which started off by saying, "Hello, could I have some clarity on what is considered tag spamming or inappropriate tagging, please? The help section defines inappropriate tagging as tagging unrelated to things in your listing. Would tagging the same thing repeatedly, such as 'I love cycling' 20 times, also count as inappropriate tagging? Do you want users to report sellers that do this? It is unfortunate that these sellers seem to always be on the first page of the search results, as it pushes sellers who try to tag properly further down the results. Also, would something like dog lover, dog walker, dog fun, etc. count as spam since the word dog is repeated?" This was Lily, an admin from the Facebook group, who actually got in contact with someone, and luckily they responded. And I say luckily, but once you see this response, you see what I mean. So this was the response. "Thanks so much for reaching out to us. I do understand your concern. I'll be happy to help. Spam tagging systems allow users to interact proactively to annotate a pool of resources with descriptive strings, which are called tags." Firstly, he's kind of given a description of spam tagging systems. I don't know why he's responded with a description of spam tagging. So is he saying spam tagging is okay through giving us a description, just going off the first little section? He's continued to say basically tags are used to guide users to areas where they are interested, and on the other hand, inappropriate tagging is the use of indecent language and hate words under your designs. Now, this isn't what Lily asked. Lily didn't ask about inappropriate language or anything like that. She's mainly asked about tag spamming, and from what I've seen so far in the response, they've given an explanation to spam tagging. So does that mean it's a thing that's allowed? At this point, it's still unclear. And then they've gone on to say, and I quote, "Yes, we always users to report designs." Firstly, this is someone coming from the Redbubble team, and if they're making simple mistakes like this in an email response, I mean, what hope do we have for Redbubble at this point? As a seller on Redbubble, and also as a customer of Redbubble, reading something like this is just worrying at this point. Continuing, they've put, "We do not advise tagging design with the same word 20 times. So okay, something promising. And then they've also going to say, "I also welcome any additional concerns or queries that might arise." Okay, two things. So they've given a definition of spam tagging at the start, which I'm guessing shouldn't be okay in the first place. And then at the end of it, "We do not advise tagging a design with the same word 20 times. I don't know if this is just me, but this sounds like two contradicting things. Lily didn't even give up that easily though. She continued to send another email saying, "Hello, thanks for the response. I would like to know specifically if Redbubble want users to report stores that use the same tag multiple times, for example, more than 20 times, as inappropriate tagging, and if Redbubble plan to start taking action against sellers that do it." It is a hot topic at the moment in multiple Redbubble seller Facebook groups. Unfortunately, for those that use the same tags in this way, they rank the highest in Redbubble searches, which is disheartening to those who tag properly, which is one of the main points I'm trying to make through this video. People that are doing things the right way are getting punished by getting put on the second or even third pages onwards, yet people that are using this tagging system are the ones that are getting put to the front. After Lily's second attempt, they then reply again saying, "Hi there Lily, thanks for reaching out to us. I do understand your concern. I would be happy to help. At this time, we do not have an option to have Redbubble Facebook group. Yes, users can report the sellers and our internal team will investigate the issue. Feel free to contact us if you have any other questions or concerns." The main thing that I'm picking from this email is that Stephanie said, "Feel free to contact us if you have any other questions or concerns." this video will be a form of contact to the Redbubble team. I do hope you guys are watching this. Do share it with them by just clicking on that link in the description. It will send this directly to their Twitter team so they can see it immediately. But to finish it off, I thought I'll just show you this example that was shared in the Facebook group by Samir. So she put there, what do you think about those designers who repeat tags like this? Is Redbubble letting them make sales normally? I'm guessing she's trying to say here because I see them show up on the first page. Now I'm going to click on the image just so you guys can see obviously the example that's been shown here. And as you can see there, there's literally the same word. It looks like it says Amsterdam skyline, and it's been spammed so many times to create one tag. And then they've just done that for multiple other tags with the same word just spammed over and over again. Redbubble, you need to let us know what you are doing about this, whether through an email or through a tweet or something. Let us know what's going to happen in regards of this. Otherwise, we're going to end up with a stream of people just using the same technique to get on the first page, because that is what is working for people. For the last time in this video, I'll plead with you guys, down in the description, go over to that link, click it, and it will tweet out a pre-written tweet to Redbubble that will also have this video linked. So hopefully someone in the team can see this. And please guys, once you've clicked that link down in the description, comment down clicked. I'll make sure I respond to every single person who writes that down in the comment section. But that is it for today. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.